Chrome profiles, what is it? It means having different users, the ability to use one computer with different users. Now, it's always me. I'm not talking about different people sitting down at my computer, although you could do that. I'm talking about all the different profiles that I use. For example, we belong to a Toastmasters group. The club is called Early Birds, and it has its own Gmail account. So rather than logging out of mine, logging into theirs, and then I'd have to log out of theirs and log back into mine in order to do work, this is what you do. This little button up at the top, see my face is on here twice, but it's the one up at the top that is the Chrome profile. This one just represents my Google account for this page. If I click on the Chrome profile button, here is Early Birds. So I click on Early Birds and notice the whole color and everything changes. It's like it's a separate computer, like I moved from my computer over to the Early Birds computer. When I go to Gmail, I'm getting the Early Birds Gmail. When I go to Drive, I'm getting the Early Birds Drive. Notice the Toastmasters logo. That's not in my account. That's in Early Bird's account. If I go to Photos, I'm getting the Early Bird Photos. So how did that happen? Oh, one last thing while I'm still on Early Birds here. Let's say I want to copy one of these pictures and then I want to go back to my profile, my computer, and paste it. No problem. Down at the bottom, you see 3 different Chrome icons. One of them, it's very hard to see, but I can tell. That is my face. If I click on that, I'm on my computer, on my profile. If I click on this one, I can tell that that's the little Early Bird icon. Now I'm in there. So you can go back and forth, and you never have to sign out or sign back in or remember the passwords. It's all set up in your profile. So how do you set up a profile? At the bottom of the profile list, there's Add. And you just sign in, so this is the first time you do this, you'd absolutely have to know the username and password. So it's Danny. And let's see, I should give him a different color. How about this aqua color? So now I have a profile. If I go to Gmail, I'm seeing Danny's Gmail. You can see here. Oh, and it has a security alert that somebody signed into his account. And if I go to Photos, I'll be seeing Danny's photos, etc., etc. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different Chrome browsers open on this one machine. 4 computers in one. Very, very useful. You can do it for your business and your personal, have a different profile. Makes it very easy.